Alright class, I'm going to show you the easiest way to find your Zoom meeting. Once you go to your Canvas course, go to the CP Argueta Math and Science 2021 course, you will see announcements on your home page. You're going to find your announcements. Now, I have two announcements up there, but you will only see one of these times. If you are meeting with me at 9 o'clock, your announcement will say 9 o'clock under the announcements. If you're meeting with me at 1 o'clock, you will see the announcement that says 1 o'clock. Go ahead and click on your announcement. I'll just click on this one for now, but you should see your announcement. And once it's your time, so once it's right before 9 o'clock, you can go ahead and click it 5 minutes before 9 o'clock. You can go ahead and click that link, and the link will take you to your Zoom meeting. Then you go ahead and click Open Zoom Meetings, and it will connect you. This is my Zoom meeting, but you go ahead and click Join with Audio, and it will connect you to our Zoom meeting. And that's again for Monday. So go ahead and click on that. That's the easiest way to find your Zoom time and your Zoom meeting. Again, it's going to be on your home page under announcements. There's also a Zoom link right over here on your home page. If you're meeting at 9 o'clock, you can click on the Zoom meeting that says 9 o'clock. If you are meeting at 1 o'clock, you can go ahead and click on that Zoom meeting that says 1 o'clock. And that's the easiest way to go ahead and find your Zoom meeting. Talk to you soon.